Hey guys, so we're testing out a new piece of content today. Let me know what you think about it. So, I found something really cool and really interesting, and I want to share it with you. Found it on the Many Baggers subreddit. Shout out to Dirk41 the Demigod for publishing this, where we have a database website with filtering, and this thing is fucking awesome. Let me show you why. So you can see that this Reddit user has made a backpack database, and there are a crap ton of bags on here. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, what's the freaking point of this? And I'll tell you, because as you may know, I respond to all the comments on the Nomads Nation YouTube channel, and the number one comment I get is some variation of, Aaron, I want a bag that has X, Y, Z, blah, 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 all these features, right? What's your recommendation? And I try to help out where I can, but also I'm limited in time and my memory of all these different features, right? So I've always wanted to put together something like this where, all the features and bags are in one database that you can then filter accordingly, and it now exists in the best way possible. So check this out. I'm going to go to list all bags. I'm going to put all the information in regards to this in the description below, so you can find links and everything else. Let's see, we're gonna open as a full page. Cool. So let's just run a little simulation, right? You are looking for a bag, and let's see, just cut that out, take it from the top. Cool. So you have a budget of, let's say, $250. You want it to be a clamshell style opening. Gotta have 2 water bottle pockets, team hydration. Just upgraded to a 16-inch MacBook Pro, and you can see the magic that's happening here, right? And last but not least, it's got to be a 30-liter because I carry a ton of stuff in my day-to-day. And kaboom! Now we have 3 options, right? So let's say, maybe we can do 27 liters, actually. 4 options, okay? Now, that's awesome. Like, I just literally took some of the best bag companies' databases, Able Carry, Peak Design, Air, Evergoods, Osprey, right? And brought them all together into one location where I can now find a bag that suits my needs. Guys, this is awesome. And let's be honest, a lot of y'all out there, you know what bags you're looking for. You know what you're going to buy. Or maybe you don't know what you're going to buy, right? You're going to get something on a whim whenever it gets released. But keep this resource around, because you're going to see people in the comments asking, they're overwhelmed with the options, and I have all these different needs that I require. Keep this link, because then we can share it in the community and showcase different people, help people find the bags that best suit their needs, right? That's our number one goal in Nomads Nation. I don't give a fuck what bag you buy. I just want you to buy a bag, to be honest, because bags are awesome. So you can see right here just how thorough this entire resource is. I'm hoping that I can collaborate with the person who made this in some capacity, or maybe even build on top of this, right? Because there's no slings in here right now. There's a lot of different aspects of information that could be added, which totally is completely understandable. Like, this person made this completely for free, I assume. So hopefully it's just the beginning. But yeah, show some love to the owner. They have a contact/feedback button here, so maybe you can, buy them a coffee or promote this in your own way, or just say thank you to them, right? And then hopefully either this resource or other resources like this can grow, improve, therefore helping everyone in this community find the best bag for them. So this is just a new piece of content that I'm testing out, where I do an update, sort of spur of the moment video. Let me know if you like it, and we'll chat soon.